Hello, friends. Welcome to reading day 2. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. Yesterday, we read the book When I Was 8. The work that we are doing today is directly related to this book. If you did not listen to me read this book yesterday, please go back and listen now so that you can follow along. This video will be here waiting for you when you get here. We read the story of When I Was 8. The story's main character was Olemaun. As we were reading yesterday, I asked you to think of some character traits about Olemaun. We looked at a paper that I will put up on the screen now that showed some character traits. I asked you to send me 3 character traits that you thought fit Olemaun with an explanation about why. Many people said that Olemaun was hard-working. Do you agree? What in the book showed that Olemaun was hard-working? Let's look back to find out. When we look back for evidence normally, you would have a book in front of you to do that. If you don't have this book in front of you, another way that you can look for evidence is to go back through and listen to how I read it yesterday and find evidence there. To find evidence to show that Olemaun was hardworking, I will look in the book. I think I found some evidence here. Listen as I read. Every day for weeks, we woke early for chores. Instead of sitting in desks, we scrubbed the floor beneath them. We washed walls and dishes and laundry. And then we went to church and kneeled on our already aching knees to clean our souls. I worked hard, but it brought me no closer to being able to read. Think, does this page support the idea that Olemaun is a hard worker? I think it does. Let me use my own words to support my answer. After looking in the text or listening back, I found some evidence to support that Olemaun was a hard worker. Here is my sentence that I wrote. Olemaun was hardworking because every day she woke up early to do chores like laundry. That is my piece of evidence, but I wanted to support it even more. I did that by adding the reason. She did this work because she wanted to learn how to read. If I am answering a question like, how could you describe Olemaun? I could use the word hardworking. But it is also important to explain why she is hardworking. What did she do in the story that showed you she was hardworking? And how can you connect this idea to what you know to be true about Olemaun? Today, second graders, you are going to fill out your graphic organizer that shows the character traits. In every paragraph, you will put the character trait. For example, hardworking. Then you will put your reasoning, why, using evidence from the text and explaining that evidence by making a connection. Once you do that, please send me a picture of your graphic organizer. If you don't have a graphic organizer or if you lost yours, that's okay. What you can do instead is write it in your student journal that we sent home a few weeks ago. Tell me, at least 3 new traits for Olemaun. Use evidence and reasoning to support your answers. And remember, you can go back and listen to me read the story as many times as you want, okay? I look forward to seeing your traits that you send me. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to call, text, or email. I miss you, and we'll be reading a new story tomorrow.